Redfish. Redfish. All right.
Coming here to catch snook and we're catching red. You know, I don't complain.
We got some.
Oh,
That was her fish.
now she at the bottom.
Yeah, see, there's the hook in his mouth there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
There you are. Nice.
That's great.
Son of a... Alright. Bring him in, perfect. That was the money food. Nice. Good job, Matt.
And that's how we catch the fish.
That's how we catch the fish.
All right.
That was the target right there.
Meaty, meaty.
I got a bite.
KB.
Nice, baby.
Yep.
I got it. I'll take care of it. Damn. Right there.
Key.
I'm gonna borrow your phone
Yeah.
one more time, Anna.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice.
It's crazy. A trout on the pass.
Anna with the trout.
Woo.
Good. There you go.
Congrats, Anna. Nice sea trout.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's my first sea trout.
Nice.
Feel the need for speed.
And a boom.